Welcome to this short video on Level Service Network. The Level Service Network command allows you to set elevations and grades for all your service lines going into your main. Before I demonstrate this command, I want to show you what this looks like at the moment. So if I'm going to grab all my pipes, I'm going to go into Object Viewer. I'm going to rotate this. So you can see at the moment, none of my laterals are actually tying into the main. They're all sitting above, or their pipes are going backwards. So what I want to do is I want to go in and I want to set these. We have a couple options here. We could go in and just set the elevation of where the lateral is tying into the main. Or we could set that elevation and also the grade of that pipe. Okay, so that's what we're going to look at doing here. So to demonstrate this, we're going to come up here to the Cadpro Toolkit ribbon. We're going to go to the Pipes panel. And right up in here, you can see Level Service Network. Now, it could be hidden in your version. It's right here, Level Service Network. The dialog box comes up. So the first thing we're going to do here is the main network. So that's going to be our main line, and that is my sewer main. My service pipes is going to be the lateral, or you could click on this icon and pick it from the screen. We could do just selected pipes, and I'll show you that in a moment. We can set a vertical offset for this elevation of the pipe where it ties into the main. I'm going to set that to 0 right now. Then it asks us, do we want to set the grade of the pipes? So once we set this elevation where it ties into the main, we can say from there, I want to go at a grade of 2%. And so that's what I'm doing here. We're going to do that. And I'll just go into the settings also, just to check it. So we're going to tie in the invert. We're going to match the invert of the pipe to the invert of the connected pipe. We're going to go OK. And I'm just going to go OK. That's it. Let's look at the pipe network now. So I'm going to right click on this, go to Object Viewer, look in here, and there you can see all the pipes have been tied into the main, and they're all now sitting at a 2% grade. Now I want to go back into this command again. So I'm going to come back up here to the Cadpro Toolkit. I'm going to go Level Service Network. And I'm going to grab Level Service Network here. And this time what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, well, I'm going to do a selected pipes. I don't want to do them all, so I'm going to go in here and say, let's just grab these right there. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to set a drop to those. So I'm going to say, let's set that to be like a 5-foot drop. I'll also set the slope, so we'll leave that as is, and I'm going to go OK. I'm going to grab all the network, right-click, go to Object Viewer, and now you can see those pipes I selected in the middle have actually got a 5-foot drop down to the main. You can see the others are all still tying back in. I'll exit out of this, and this concludes this short video on Level Service Network. I hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.